Okay, welcome back mga scalper. Another technical analysis for BTC and wag na nga nating patagalin pa. Daily time frame is isang malaking red candle. So nagfo-form to ng evening star, one of the reversal candlestick pattern. Currently, meron tayong double top and meron tayong lower high. First sign ng weakness ng market. And silipin natin yung possible scenario sa lower time frame. So kung makikita natin, nabasag niya na yung trend line support natin. And currently, nagpo-pullback. If babalik si BTC above this trend line resistance natin, possibly gain niya ulit yung area na to. And the moment na magbasag ulit ng trend line resistance, possible susubok ulit magbasag sa trend line resistance natin. Currently, downtrend yung pinapakitang momentum ni BTC. But big picture is hindi niya pa rin nababasag yung previous higher low natin. So, ina-expect pa rin natin nasa uptrend momentum to. But lower time frame is nasa downtrend yung BTC. So, sa mga naka-long position, beware muna. Without breaking this trend line resistance is nasa downtrend pa rin yung BTC.